Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So today I did some more dumpster diving and I found a few things that might be of interest to some people. So I was kind of wondering if Zega's pumping out too much stuff. But anyway, these things aren't final yet, but it's good to know that there are some like updates on in terms of like the ticker symbols. So for example, like the Defiance, the target income ETFs. At least now that we know that the triple QT, SPY T, and IWMT, maybe there's some progress being made. And one thing as a reminder that these are 0DTE index call credit spreads on top of ETFs. So according to like their documents, it looks like they're planning to buy, like for example, for the triple QT, they'll probably wind up buying shares of triple Q regular and then selling like NDX credit call spreads on top of them. But we'll have to see like once they are finally released. And of course, like I'm not too thrilled with the expense ratios. Like for example, like the Nasdaq 100, the target income ETF, the triple QT. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but I'm kind of curious as to why they're pricing these a little bit higher at like 105 basis points, so 1.05%. It's a little weird. And then meanwhile, like the SPY T, it's actually a little bit lower, so at 94 basis points. And then the IWMT, it's also 104 basis points, similar to the triple QT. So it's kind of weird, but I mean, you know, hopefully they'll perform well to justify the extra expenses. Again, it's not like the end of the world, but it's kind of weird. And of course, they're still have the same portfolio managers, so I guess that's a good sign. But I am worried that they're taking on a little bit too much. And there was also a updated YieldMax perspectives, and this is also kind of weird because they're lumping in like the newer the KWBY, the GDXY, XBIY, YTLT, along with the OARC. So I guess like they were planning these as like more broad-based ETFs. And one thing that I'm kind of concerned about, like for the OARC, I don't see like a reason why they have to lump lump in an additional 20 basis point for other expenses. So this one might be bumped up to like 119 basis points. So, and OARC isn't like exactly like the best performing ETF out there, so it's a little bit strange. But maybe there'll be a waiver because again, like none of these are final, so we'll give them the benefit of the doubt. So the KWeb ETF is going to be 99 basis points, or I should say the YieldMax version of KWeb will be 99 basis points. The gold miners, the GDXY, will be also 99 basis points. The XBI one will also be 99 basis points, and the TLT one will also be 99 basis points. So I guess this overall could be good news, but I am concerned that they might be taking on a little bit too much. But of course, this is just an SEC update, so until things are actually released in the wild, I'll consider this as not final. If you like this type of content, please consider giving this a like. If you could subscribe as well, that'd be greatly appreciated. As you know, SEC dumpster diving is hard work. So thank you for watching. I hope people make some good money out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.